What's up, guys? Tristen here. I'll show you my new working flexible buffalo knife. Showing you my my new buffalo knife. You wanna know how it will be last? See, like, the hands are super straight, the stick like straight and car. It's latched on the butterfly knife. I use that same piece of wood, but I got like studs on front. Those were pieces. Turn the bottom, tighten up, and I use for on blue and red. Let me do tricks. This is 1.8 seconds. 1.9 seconds. I'll take that news name. I shouldn't use these pieces instead for it. Spill it as and put your own piece on it. Let's get a close up here. Down. Yeah, like some studs. Make it like from Call of Duty. Black Ops 3. Wait. Oh my god. Well, I'm in my room and I'm doing like here. Do tricks. Oh, I got super chance here. Like this. Like this. I'll hold my thumb. Flip. Here's it extracted little bolts on. Let's go. You want to see what the house looks like? Here it is. Well, this video is going to my school. And Miss Mac, I hope you're watching this because you might probably when I made like a bar for a knife. Here's the latch. Studs. Gun front. I'll show you. There's pieces. But straight over here, put 2 right there. And yeah, look. Look. There we go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you like this. And hope you like this video. Me and my little butterfly knife.